In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate and utilize Microsoft Copilot within Excel or other relevant applications. Stick with me as I walk you through this entire process, from opening Copilot to gathering useful insights from your data. Let's dive right in. First, we need to open Microsoft Copilot in Excel or the relevant app you're using. If you're unfamiliar with Microsoft Copilot, it's an advanced AI-driven tool designed to help you streamline your workflow, automate repetitive tasks, and gain deeper insights from your data. To get started, open Excel and look for Copilot in the toolbar at the top of the screen. It's usually represented by a recognizable icon, but if you can't find it immediately, a quick search in the Help section should guide you. Once you locate Copilot, click on it to open the window or sidebar that houses its functions. Now that we have Copilot open, the next step is to locate the File Upload option. This is an important step because Copilot needs to have access to your data in order to work its magic. Look within the Copilot interface for a button or link that allows you to upload files. It's typically labeled something straightforward such as Upload or Import Data. Go ahead and click it to proceed. With the Upload function open, it's time to select your CSV file from your device's storage. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a common format for storing and exchanging data because it's versatile and easily read by many different applications. Navigate through your documents to find the CSV file you want to analyze. Once you've found it, click to select and then hit the Open button to begin uploading the file into Copilot. Now that your CSV file is uploaded, we need to wait for Copilot to do its thing, which is to analyze and process the data. This stage involves Copilot interpreting the information in your file, preparing it for further analysis. Depending on the size of your file, this could take a bit of time, so be patient. You'll know it's ready to go when you see a notification or indication that the process is complete. Finally, with Copilot having successfully processed your data, you can now move on to using AI commands to generate valuable insights or reports. Within Copilot, explore various commands or suggestions available to you. These might include generating summaries, identifying trends, or creating detailed visual reports tailored to your specific needs. Take advantage of this powerful tool by experimenting with different commands to really see what valuable insights you can uncover. Remember, Copilot is designed to learn and adapt to your requirements, enhancing its usefulness every time you use it. And there you have it, an easy-to-follow guide for opening Microsoft Copilot in Excel, uploading your CSV file, and generating insightful reports. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to making data-driven decisions with confidence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more of what Copilot can do to supercharge your productivity.